Welcome to Lee Hill Auto Service video series. Here's Tim to talk about air conditioning, evac, and recharge.
Good afternoon. Alright, so what we have here is a car that came in because it wasn't blowing cold. As we all know, summer's coming, so we would very much like our AC to work. So underneath the hood here, we have what's known as a low side pressure line and a high side pressure line. And these two work in unison with each other to give us that nice cold air. And the compressor is what regulates those pressures. Now what I'm doing here is I'm going to show you how we actually recharge the system. So I'm going to hit charge. It takes 1.1 pounds of Freon. So I'm going to change this to pounds. 1.1 pounds. And then I'm going to hit, almost, there we go. There we go, now we're good. Doing the high side, that's the one that you want to do. I'm going to inject oil so that your AC system stays nice and lubricated, your compressor stays nice and lubricated, because just like everything else, it requires lubrication in order to stay running properly. So I'm going to do that. And what the machine is doing is it's now purging the air out of the system. That's what gives us a really cold air. The less air you have in the system and the more liquid Freon you have in the system, the colder it will be. And that's what these machines do to keep you nice and cool in the summer here at Lee Hill Auto Service.